Hi friends, welcome back. My name's Melinda and today I'm going to show you how to use angular measurements when drawing a portrait. Okay, first I'm going to find the relative width to the height of the face. Okay, so now that I've got the relative width and the height laid out, I'm going to show you how I use angular measurements to find the eyebrows. I actually have two bamboo skewers, and what I'm going to do is put one of them here on the angle of the eyebrow. And I'm going to take this one, and you want them to be parallel, the sticks. So if it's like this, I know that's not the right angle to the reference photo. So I'm going to lay it till it just about matches. And that will help me to find the angle of the eyebrow. I'm going to do that on both sides, and then I'm going to show you the next step. Now that I found the eyebrows, the angle, I'm going to show you how to find the angle of the nose. I'm going to lay down these skewers the same way I did the eyebrows. So that one will go there. And this one will go right here. Now I know that on the left side of her nostril, it's going at this angle. So I'm going to fill that in on both sides, and then we'll come back and do the mouth. So now we're going to use angular measurements to find the corners of the mouth. I'm going to lay this right here so it forms an angle from the corner of the nose to the corner of the mouth. And I'm going to match it up right here. I'm going to lay this down so it's the same angle from the corner of the nose to the corner of the mouth. And I'm going to draw a line, and that will tell me exactly where the mouth is. And I will do that on both sides, and then we'll come back with the next step. Now that we've found the angle of the mouth and where it's located, I'm going to show you how to use angular measurements to find the angle of the jawline. So again, I'm going to lay one stick right there, and I'm going to put another right here until they're parallel. And that will help me find the angle of this bottom jaw. So you see how both sticks are parallel to one another. They have to be, because if it's like this, then you know the angle's wrong. So you match them up just till it's right. I'm going to go ahead and fill these in, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now that we've found the angle of the lower jaw, we can go ahead and find the angle of the face. So if you see, these are not perfectly straight. It's actually angled out just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and find those, and then we'll come back and do the next step. Okay, so now that we've found the angle of the sides of the face, I'm going to show you how to use these skewers to find the shoulders, which might seem like an afterthought, but it's actually a really important feature that shows age. So again, I'm going to lay this here, and you can kind of see where it cuts through the top of the bottom lip. So that gives me a good indication of what angle it's going to be at. And it also lets me know if my features are right on or not. So now that I found, this little thing won't let me let it sit right. Now that we found the angle, I'm going to go ahead and fill that in, and then we'll come back with the next step. To find out how long this is, we can also use angular measurements to connect this slope to right here. So it's weird how things just kind of line up. You can see if we line up the corner of that, it almost lines up perfectly with the side of the ear. So from doing this, I can see that my shoulder is almost there. So this will come out right here, and this will connect right there. And that gives me a really good idea of the angle of the shoulder. It's really starting to take a shape and likeness. I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and then we'll see how everything came together. Okay, there you have it. How to use angular measurements in your portrait drawings. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please like it. And if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on videos like this, and share it with your friends. See you next week.